everyone, and welcome to another system test in my shed. But I shall begin by walking you through the devices as always. So obviously we have the multi-sensor, and we have the Klaxon Universal Sounder Base. I believe that is still on the Apollo tone. Regular Series 65 optical. And same as always, our Nissan EVC-P conventional optical. And for the sounder, we have the SeaTech active sounder, which has a sponge stuck in it for noise cancellation purposes, because it is loud as fuck, to say the least. And we have, I think this is the only device that's that new to anyone really. It's a Prestige Fire Protection coil point, but it's branded on the inside as a Citadel coil point. It's just a KAC really. I don't know why it has to have so many blooming brands on the front, but yeah. So we'll begin with the coil points, I think, and just key test it because I don't want to break this clear glass, because it is valuable and getting rarer by the day. All clear glass really. Silenced. And to reset, this has come loose, it was glued in, but this is the reset button, so you'll see the LED go off. It's actually just a class change switch, so it's one of the spring-loaded light switches with like a bell symbol on the front, but I've just got a piece of tape over it because that's not what it's being used for. And a random Menvia key in here for some reason. Don't even remember putting that there. Okay, so let's do our detectors. So we'll start off as usual with the EVC-P optical from Nissan. I believe I did forget to mention that the SeaTech does help when you clear out detectors, doesn't it? Yeah, I forgot to mention that the SeaTech is on the Apollo tone as well. Nicer version of the Apollo tone. This is a really stiff detector. Finally got it to reset, and now we will reset the panel. Really do need to find some sort of way to sort this out because it's so annoying. I want to be rid of this panel soon enough. Anyway, it's literally on its last legs. Been through a lot of use, through a lot of years. Well, since 2017 really. I've had sort of a relay based panel. Anyway, yes, I need to do the Series 65 optical detector in the middle here. Wait. There we go. Very odd. Could have sworn I heard a relay click in the panel when I took the base off, which is a bad sign. Well, not when I took the base off, because it's meant to click when you take a head off, because that means that it's not making a connection through the detector head. But I just put a bit of pressure against the head to remove it. I did hear a click from over here, so hopefully all is good, but it probably isn't knowing my luck. And finally, this is still in start up. So I think it's a bit, oh, okay, thought it went out of start up then, but it just sort of did a thing where the LED didn't want to flash. But startup makes it a bit more sensitive, I believe. So I haven't actually done it. I need to test the heat element for this because I haven't tested it in a while. So I'm actually gonna, excuse me, I'm actually gonna come up with some sort of way to test it right now. I promise it'll be interesting. So as you can see here, I'm doing some sort of balancing act with a space heater. And that is so that I can use the space heater to activate the rate of rise heat detector element of this multi-sensor. For those who are wondering, it's an Orbis, Apollo Orbis multi-sensor. That should definitely activate it soon enough. This is not an efficient way to test a multi-sensor detector by any means, but we will do it. There we go. Oh. So yeah, that did work. And it didn't even have to get that warm, to be fair to it. No, it's only barely warm. Very nice multi-sensors, these. Quite slim for what they are as well. And the detectors, the optical detectors using them are the same, that's a word, same ones that are used in the Soteria addressable range of detectors. But that does conclude our system test for now. That's gone into startup now. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lockdown version of a system test, because I am limited with my movement around here because the forest over there is shut. You can't even go in there because it counts as a public park. Actually, I need to reset the panel. Can't end the system test without resetting the bloody panel, can you? Anyway, sorry for such a weird video, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Goodbye.